Rent NFT. This is a website that enables P2P renting of NFTs. There is a Superfluid integration in here, and Superfluid is a protocol that enables you to stream cryptocurrency. Superfluid powers seamless flows of rent payments between the borrower and the lender. The uniqueness of this approach is in the decomposing of the utility NFT that is being borrowed or lent out, and the NFT that represents cash flows that are in fact now tradable. And Superfluid enables you to redirect the payments that are streamed into the NFT to the owner of that NFT, which enables us to neatly receive the rent payments from the borrowers into the owner's account, simply by them holding that NFT. And the interesting and neat feature is that if you now in turn send this NFT to someone else, that someone else automatically will start receiving all the streamed payments into the NFT, and as such this tokenizes the cash flows, and it decomposes, it decouples the utility of the NFT and its cash flow, which is very powerful. There are a lot of interesting things you can do with that. So to show you the demonstration, you will first need to get some FDAI. FDAI is just F stands for fake. So it's a fake DAI on Girly network that we will use to interact with our application. Another thing is that it is not just, so we'll need to upgrade this FDAI to another token, which is a FDAI-X, which is a super token. It's basically a wrapper that Superfluid wrote around this fake DAI that is actually the streamable token that we are interested in. So this upgrade is taking that FDAI and it's upgrading it to this FDAI-X that we'll use as our streamable cryptocurrency. Okay, now that we have some FDAI-X, let's go ahead and mint ourselves some FNFTs as well. We shall use a generative adversarial neural network to generate some faces for us. Well, not directly through the API, but anyhow. And so this looks good enough. Let's mint our face. So first of all, we shall deploy. So we right now we are calling the GAN face factory contract. The reason for that is that I'm using Graph to keep track of all of the NFTs that are being generated through this website, and since by design of this solution I need to generate new NFT contracts, the factory serves as a central location to keep track of all of the generated NFT contracts. So it looks like we've generated the face, and when that happens we should be able to see it in our land NFT tab. Here it is. This tab over here allows you to lend out your NFTs to the Rent NFT platform. So what that does is that it takes this NFT and it sends this NFT to our platform. There's a switch here that you can question the designer's choice of using this particular switch but you know, it does what it does. So it shows you the ones that you are currently lending, and so you can stop lending them. And here you can actually lend these ones. So we have just minted this face over here. If you click on this face, it will take you to the pinata, to the IPF, to the pinata where this is being uploaded when we generate the face. And if you click over here, it will take you to the ether scan. In any case, if we click land, we'll first need to approve all. This will enable the Rent NFT contract to take this NFT from us and to transfer it to itself. We are able to select our duration, as well as the borrowed daily price, as well as the collateral. In case that the borrower doesn't return the NFT, this is what we'll get back. This is the daily price, and this is the maximum of consequent days that you would like the any borrower to be able to take out this NFT for. And this looks all good. I will just click land. On land, I am creating this contract deployment is the deployment of the NFT where the borrower will be sending their payments. But what happens here is that this tradable cash flow uses the current owner, i.e. us, as the receiver of the flow payments. So I'll just click confirm, and this is now creating the cash flow. This over here registers the tradable cash flow in the Rent NFT contract, as well as takes the other information and transfers the NFT to itself. And done. If we refresh this now, then this here will disappear. Yeah, she's gone. And if we are now to switch around the account, well, we can see that we can rent this NFT now. Sometimes if the numbers, for example, are too large, you can hover over the number and we'll give you the tooltip with the actual full number. In any case, if we click rent now, so first of all, once again, we need to approve the FDIX for our Rent NFT contract to be able to take the collateral in, but I've done that already, so I'm not gonna do that. Just specify the number of days that you want to take this out for. We'll tell you the time by which you need to return the NFT, and click rent. And before I do this, let me just show you before we borrow the NFT, let me show you my Superfluid dashboard. This is my net flows right now, as well as my balance. As you can see, the top flow is from this contract. I don't know what it is, but when the borrower takes out the NFT now, there'll be a new inflow, and that inflow will be from the NFT, since it will redirect the flow payment to us. So let's rent this NFT out now. Now click the rent button, and this will pull the cash flow that we have previously created on the lend step, and it will compute the per second rate that it will stream this FDIX token to that tradable cash flow NFT, and that NFT in turn will, as I have said numerous times before, will redirect it to our owner account that has lended out this NFT. And this contract interaction is to actually pay the collateral and move the NFT from our rent NFT contract back to, not back to, but to the borrower. And that will conclude the cycle, the lend borrow. And then of course the borrower will have to return the NFT, and the lender may choose to stop lending the NFT when it is available. Or if the borrower doesn't return the NFT, then they're obviously able to claim the collateral. So if you refresh this thing now, it's not going to be here, but if you go to the lend NFT, to rent NFT, and click this beautiful button over here to check which ones we're borrowing right now, no, it's over here. So that's it. And if we have a look at our owner again, then you can see that we have a new inflow, this over here, and this over here is actually the stream from that tradable cashflow NFT. Now if we are to move this NFT to another account, say we want to sell the rights to receive the borrow amounts, then we can certainly do that. And if we move this NFT, then all the payments will start to be accrued with the new owner. And this is it. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.